So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I had to come on and show you guys this beautiful shelving unit that my husband built for me yesterday. He came in last night and built it for me. I had saw this unit on Facebook. It had came across my feed on Facebook, and it was a feed from TikTok. So I went on YouTube and we saw a guy that gave details on how to build this. He gave the measurements that he used, and so we went by his measurements and it came out, I think, beautifully. I had bought all of these totes last year, you guys, because I got them from Lowe's, and I'll show you the dimensions of the storage bins, totes. This is the dimensions of the totes and the serial number and all that. But I had gotten these last year from Lowe's because they had them running on sale, four for like 40 something. I think they were like, when you bought four, you got them like $10 a piece or something like that. They're normally not that expensive. You can get them at Lowe's, you can get them at Sam's, you can get them at, of course, Home Depot, and I think you can get them at Walmart as well. But anyway, I ended up getting these bins last year, and I had them, in my storage building, and I had them actually spread out in a couple storage buildings. And as I told you guys, I'm looking for ways to be able to store stuff. And so when I saw this, I thought this would be excellent, because one of the things about when you guys know when you got boxes and bins and stuff like that, and they're stacked on top of each other, the item you need is going to always be at the bottom. So it makes it easy so that if I want to get something out of this bin, if I want to get something out of this bin, I don't have to lift 4 or 5 bins up to get whatever I want. I'm gonna get some tape and put tape on the front of these so it'll label what's in these bins. That's what I'm getting ready to do right now. But I wanted to just show you guys what they look like, what this unit looked like. My husband did all the work. My son and I helped him, lift the boards and draw the lines and all that kind of stuff. As you can see, these are the lines where stuff's supposed to go. And we, helped, but he did the majority of the work. And I'm so grateful. It was total cost for this unit is like, he said it was like $150 for material. And I looked up a metal unit. If we would have bought a metal unit, just one section, just this section right here that fits 5 totes, is like $120 for one section. So you're talking about over $500 for a metal unit if we would have bought it instead of him building this out for me. So this is out on my back patio, and so we're in a safe area. I don't really worry about people coming, in my backyard and that kind of stuff. So it's okay. But I'll show you, like, for instance, see, this has the candy with the Easter eggs in it, and this is temporary. This was actually in a building. I just have it out here for right now because I'm using it. But for the most part, this will be inside. I don't leave stuff with food out on the outside, even though it does have a snap lid. But I wanted to show you, like, some of the other stuff that, okay, here's one. See, Mother's Day, Men and Father's Day supplies is in this one. And then I have, like, some of the pajamas, clothes and stuff like that I don't want critters and stuff like that to get in, but it's okay for it to be out in the weather. It doesn't have to be in a climate controlled environment. That's kind of some of the stuff that I put in these totes. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to come on and show this to you. I'm so excited about it. He's got to finish building up the top because he ran out of boards. So he's got to go and buy a couple more boards to finish this top right here. And then it'll be totally complete. And so I've got to buy a few more of these bins because this unit that he built me fits 20 bins. 5 on each row, and there's 4 rows, so it fits 20 bins. And so I've got enough, I got some room for growth, which is always great. So I'm gonna get a few more bins and see, you know, where it goes. I'm gonna try not to fill them up right now, because as you know, as we're clearance shopping, we'll always need some more storage space. But it did clear up storage space for me in my rental unit, as well as my storage units here, because some of, like I said, these bins were in those places, and it just created a whole new storage area for me. So I hope this is helpful to you guys. I'll try to leave a link in the video that we used to get our measurements from. It was very helpful. The guy came through with, you know, his measurements were spot on. But let me show you something that my husband added. So the guy that was doing the video, he mentioned that his unit was wobbly. So he basically attached it to the wall where he was to keep it from wobbling. And what my husband did is, if you see that board across the back, he put a board across the back, and he said that keeps your unit from being wobbly. And he was gonna put 2, but it didn't really need the 2, so he had bought 2 of those long boards, one to go that way and one to go that way, to keep the unit sturdy. But we ended up only needing just the 1. And one of the good things about this unit, you guys, is that because it's not attached to anything, when God blesses me with my new location, this can be moved to the new location, because it's not stationary, it's not attached to the house or in any way, so it can be moved to be able to be used in our new location, or in a garage or something like that. And that is a good place if you know, want to put it in your garage or whatever it is, that you could use this unit. So anyway, you guys, I hope this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.